Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, guys, I'm going to unbox a parcel. And before we start, let's do an intro. Guys, ready na ba kayo i-open yung box? Ako ay ready na at excited na kung ano yung laman ng box. So, let's open, guys. What is this? Air pressure shiatsu massager. Wow. Massager for ano, guys? Foot massage. Ayan. Foot massage. Ay. My goodness. Look at, guys. It's a foot massage, guys. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's open. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, guys, look. It's a foot massage. So, dito ilalagay yung yung paa. Wow. And meron siyang kasama ayan. Ipa-plug siya. So, saan to yan? Ayun, dito. Dito to ilalagay. It's very, guys, very, it's very big help to me because my foot is always hurt because I always walk every day. I walk 3 times in school every day. So it's very big help to my foot to feel good, guys. For those people who sending this, I'm very thank you and so much appreciated what you give to me. I did not expect it, guys. I did not expect you sending me like this. And I'm surprised. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Thank you. And God bless you always. So may kasama siyang ano guys, remote. Ayan. Susubukan natin. Sa susunod na, hindi ngayon, susunod na. Hindi ko pa alam paano gagamitin. I don't know how to use that. I need to to yeah. There is a manual here. Manual. Here. Yeah, user manual foot massager. Foot massager. So, meron siyang manual dito. And then, meron din siyang remote control, guys. So, heat. Ayan, power, vibration, intensity, time, mode, power. Ayan. More cute. Hala, malaking tulong to guys. Para sa ano, mga paa ko. So, may kasama, ayun na yun, may ano rin siya dito. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for those people sending me this. You know who you are. Thank you and God bless you always. Thank you so much. God bless.